going on, guys? We are super excited for this new Mandalorian series. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start off with Baby Yoda. We're super duper excited. So let's get started. So as always, we're gonna jump in with a rough sketch to see where we're gonna lay down our paint. After I have his face drawn in, I'm gonna mix up his skin color, which is actually a light green with a tinge of blue in it. What I did for inside his ears was I added a little bit of brown to the skin color that I had mixed up, and it came out in the perfect shade that I needed. So for his body, I've taken Tuscan brown and laid that down for the base, and then I've used a cinnamon brown behind that for all the shading. And now we're coming in hot and heavy with the thick Sharpie marker, and then a thinner Sharpie marker for those finer details. And here you're going to start to see me go a little bit crazy with my dots again. But I love them, so let me continue. After further review of this painting, we decided that his cheeks were not rosy enough and his eyes were not big enough. So I had to go back in and lighten up and add a little bit of pink to his cheeks, and I added a little bit more to his eyes because I needed them to be just that much bigger. Now that those adjustments have been made, I can go in with a smaller Sharpie marker and do those finer details so that we can finish off this painting. So now that we are finished with the whiting in the eyes, we are all done. It has to be whited over, obviously, of course. You can check out that copy on Instagram. The link for that will be in the bio as well as at the end of this video. And then it'll be framed and shipped off to Bonafab Custom. We are super excited to be collabing with him for these pieces. Go check out his channel and the awesome stuff to come for the Mandalorian this week. If you like this video, subscribe. We have 2 more paintings coming this week, which we are also very excited for, that are also Mandalorian themed, which will also be going to Bonafab Custom. We will be doing it's a secret, I can't tell you. Come back and watch the next video.